Are you tired of that sinking feeling every time you look at your bank account? That constant, nagging stress that comes with being in debt? Trust me, you are not alone. So many of us get trapped in this cycle, and it feels impossible to escape. But what if I told you there's a way out? A real, achievable path to financial freedom. Today, we're not just talking about numbers on a spreadsheet, we're talking about a total life transformation. We're going to break down the secrets to getting out of debt, understanding your money habits, and finally, taking back control. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's start this journey together. This is the day you decide to break free. First things first, let's get brutally honest about what got us here. Debt doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's often the result of habits, some we don't even realize we have. Think about your family. How did your parents talk about money? Was it a source of stress? A taboo topic? So often, our financial behaviors are passed down through generations. Maybe you saw your parents use credit cards for everything, or perhaps there was a spend it while you've got it mentality. These patterns become our financial DNA, without us even knowing. The first step to breaking the cycle is recognizing it. Ask yourself, what's my money story? Confronting these deep-rooted habits is uncomfortable, but it's the most powerful thing you can do. It's not about blame. It's about understanding. Once you see the pattern, you can choose to write a different story for yourself and for your future. Now, let's get practical. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is typically an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income, like a mortgage on a home that appreciates or a student loan that leads to a higher-paying career. Bad debt. That's the stuff that drains your wallet without adding long-term value. Think high-interest credit card debt from buying things you didn't really need, or personal loans for vacations. This is the debt we need to attack aggressively. Understanding this difference is key because it helps you prioritize. Your credit score is your financial report card, and high-interest bad debt is what really drags it down. A lower credit score means higher interest rates on everything in the future, which keeps you trapped in the debt cycle. So, our mission is clear. Eliminate the bad debt to improve our financial health and our credit score. Okay? So we know what we need to tackle. But how? Let's talk strategy. Here's a simple 5-step framework to get you started. Secret number 1, know your enemy. You have to list out every single debt you have. I mean everything. The credit card, the car loan, the personal loan to your aunt. Write down who you owe, how much you owe, and the interest rate for each. It's going to be painful, but you can't fight an enemy you can't see. Secret number 2, create a bare-bones budget. This isn't your "I'll try to spend less on coffee" budget. This is a "what do I absolutely need to survive" budget. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation to work. Everything else gets paused. This is a temporary, wartime effort to free up as much cash as possible. With our shield in place, it's time to go on the attack. This brings us to secret number 4. Choose your battle plan. There are 2 popular methods for paying off debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the debt snowball, you focus all your extra cash on your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once that small debt is gone, you feel a huge psychological win. You then take the money you were paying on that debt and roll it onto the next smallest one. It builds momentum and keeps you motivated. The debt avalanche is different. Mathematically, it saves you more money. With this method, you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the balance. This tackles the most expensive debt and saves you money on interest over time. Which one is right for you? It depends on your personality. Do you need quick wins to stay motivated? Go snowball. Are you a numbers person who wants the most efficient path? Go avalanche. The best plan is the one you'll actually stick with. Finally, secret number 5. Increase your income. Your budget can only be cut so much. At some point, the most powerful way to accelerate your debt-free journey is to earn more money. This doesn't mean you have to go out and get a second full-time job tomorrow. It can be small things. Can you pick up a few extra shifts at work? Sell things around your house that you no longer use? Start a small side hustle based on a skill you have, like graphic design, writing, pet sitting, or tutoring. Even an extra $100 or $200 a month thrown at your debt can make a massive difference, shaving months or even years off your repayment timeline. Think of your income not as a fixed number, but as a flexible tool. Every extra dollar you earn is a dollar that can be used to buy back your freedom. It empowers you and puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your financial future. Now, what if you have multiple high-interest debts and feel like you're just juggling payments? This is where debt consolidation can be a powerful tool. Essentially, you take out one new, larger loan to pay off all your smaller, high-interest debts. The goal is to get a single monthly payment and, most importantly, a lower overall interest rate. This can simplify your life immensely and save you a lot of money. You could get a personal loan from a bank or credit union, or use a balance transfer credit card, which often offers a 0% introductory interest rate for a certain period. But be careful. A balance transfer card is only a good idea if you are 100% disciplined and can pay off the balance before that introductory period ends. If you don't, you'll get hit with a sky-high interest rate. Consolidation isn't a magic wand. It doesn't make the debt disappear. It's a strategy to manage it more effectively. You still have to commit to paying it off and, crucially, you have to stop creating new debt. Cut up the old credit cards. The goal is to simplify and save, not to open up more room to spend. Let's recap the big picture. This journey is about more than just math. It's about changing your entire relationship with money. It starts with confronting the generational patterns and personal habits that have held you back. Then, you get clear-eyed about your situation by listing out all your debts and understanding the difference between good and bad debt. From there, you build a practical plan. You create a tight budget, build a small emergency fund to protect you from setbacks, and then you attack the debt using either the snowball or avalanche method. You supercharge your progress by looking for ways to increase your income, and you consider tools like debt consolidation to make your payments more manageable and less expensive. Each of these steps is a building block. Together, they create a solid foundation for a new financial future. It won't happen overnight. There will be moments you feel like giving up. But you have to remember your why. What is your why? Why do you want to be debt-free? Is it to sleep through the night without worry? Is it to be able to save for a down payment on a house? To travel? To provide a better life for your kids without passing on your own financial stress? To have the freedom to quit a job you hate and pursue a passion? Get really, really clear on this. Write it down. Put it on your bathroom mirror, on your fridge, as the wallpaper on your phone. This why will be your fuel on the tough days. It will be the reason you say no to an impulse purchase and yes to making an extra payment. Breaking the debt cycle isn't just about deprivation. It's about choosing a different future. Every dollar you put toward your debt is a vote for that future, for that freedom, for that peace of mind. You are buying back your life, one payment at a time. This path requires discipline, patience, and a whole lot of grace for yourself. You might mess up. You might have a month where you overspend. It's okay. The important thing is not to let one mistake derail your entire journey. Just acknowledge it, learn from it, and get right back on track the next day. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Did you pay off your first credit card? Amazing! Treat yourself to something small and free, like a special movie night at home or a walk in your favorite park. You are rewriting your story, and that is something to be incredibly proud of. You are capable of this. You have the tools, you have the strategies, and I hope you now have the motivation. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I truly believe that financial freedom is possible for every single person watching this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people who need to hear this message. And if you're ready to continue on this journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We're in this together. Now go take that first step. You've got this.